Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. So this is the last step in conducting research, and this step says revising research conclusion. Why do we need to revise the research conclusions? Because suppose whatever conclusions we have derived through our research has not verified our hypothesis, then we have to change our hypothesis. That is why it is saying revising research conclusion. So for example, we had taken an hypothesis saying that TV viewing increases aggression in children, but when we did our research and we analyzed the data, and we found out that actually it is not TV viewing which is making children aggressive. The other factors are also there which are causing aggression in children, and those factors are peer pressure and peer influence, or maybe the abusive environment at home. So through our research we came to know that there are many other factors which are also making children aggressive. So what we have to do now, our hypothesis has not been verified. We cannot say that only TV viewing makes children aggressive, or that TV viewing is actually making them aggressive. So our hypothesis has to be changed. We have to take an alternate hypothesis. So we will again collect the data according to our alternate hypothesis, which is now according to our findings which we did earlier, and we will again collect the data regarding that particular hypothesis. We will reanalyze the data using statistical techniques again, and then again we will verify the new hypothesis which we have made during the revision process. So if your hypothesis is not verified once during the first time that you had taken out your conclusions from your findings, then what will you do? You will again revise your hypothesis, you will change your hypothesis, you will take an alternate hypothesis, you will collect the data again according to that particular hypothesis, and then you will reanalyze and find a new conclusion. That conclusion at the end should verify your new hypothesis. So if your new hypothesis is verified, then your research is over. Otherwise, if your new hypothesis is also not verified, then again you will have to revise your hypothesis and revise your conclusions. So it keeps on going on and on until and unless you verify one of your hypotheses that you have made during the research. So this is the last step in conducting research, revising research conclusions. Thanks for watching.